Alright, look, we finna do a prank on my mama. Some fire shit. Some goddamn, finna act like I'm goddamn bleeding out my mouth, my nose. Finna make this shit real, you did. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know the deal. You got something to say a little bit?
Yeah, she finna trip out. She is finna trip out.
Out. Alright, we'll be back.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Elijah? Are you okay? She said she was on the way. Where is she? I'm scared. Here I come. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Adrian, come over here. Come over here. Hurry up. You fucking asshole. You, I beat you. Hurry up, run after her. Run.
Yeah, back with another. No, I didn't want her to cry. I didn't want her to cry, that's why I stopped.
I know she was gonna cry. She was like, oh my fucking god.
Yeah, I made this shit look so real because I rubbed it.
Yeah,
we
you
don't
like,
try this one.
bruh, his mama almost had a freaking heart attack.
Move.
Bruh, go ahead. Let me see. I think I got some on my shoe.
I can wash it off.
You can?
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
I'm finna go in the bathroom with you back. His mama almost had a...
Hey.
Look at him. Look at, show them the towel. His mama almost had a... Bruh, I felt it in her voice. She was finna cry. She was finna cry.
Look, the only reason I stopped it so early because I don't want to see her crying shit. But...
She was like, Adrian.
We back with another one, you did. Y'all tell us, like, comment, subscribe.